Hi guys, it's Miss Natascha from the Quincy Public Library. Today we are going to be making these cool galaxy jars. This is a lot of fun to do. So what you'll need for this craft is you're going to need a jar. This is the ball mason jar with the lid. You'll need cotton balls, paint. We use the 4 colors, a pink, a blue, a purple, a black. You'll need some glitter and silver, and then you'll need some water, and then a craft stick or something that you can kind of poke the cotton balls down just a little bit is very helpful. All right, so to start, we're going to fill our jar about 1/4 of the way full. Luckily for this one, it has little markers on the side to help me out. It doesn't have to be exact, don't freak out. All right, and then you're going to choose, you're gonna put your glitter in. You're going to use a generous amount of glitter. This is when you can go crazy with the glitter. All right, and then you're going to do your first color. So I'm gonna start with pink. For this one I did pink, purple, blue, then black, but I think I'm gonna mix it up a little bit because you can't really tell that I have blue in there. All right, so I'm just using, you wanna make sure it's acrylic paint. So this is just the apple barrel kind I got from Walmart, 50 cents for this one. This is Diva Pink if you're wondering, but it doesn't really matter what kind of pink that you do. All right, so you're just gonna squeeze some colors. I don't really know how much as you want. Oops, come on. There we go. And you're gonna put your lid back on. Put it on, I'll make sure it's on tight because we're gonna shake it up so we can mix the glitter and the water all together. So it's mixed pretty well. All right, then we're gonna add some cotton balls. You are going to want to kind of stretch your cotton balls out some, like you don't wanna put them in whole. So we're just gonna put cotton balls in there. We want it to soak up a majority of our liquid. This is where the stick comes in handy. You can you wanna push it to the side. You don't wanna really compact the cotton balls though. You want them to be loose. You don't want them to be super tight in there, but we wanna get them in there. So stretch out our cotton balls. It really just depends on how big of a jar you use, how much cotton balls you're going to need. This is a 16-ounce jar, so I would say I probably used maybe 20 or so. You know, you just kind of basically go by how much water it soaks up. So I push it down just a little bit, but not like pressing it down so hard, you know, that you're compacting it. We don't want to do that. So there's still quite a bit of liquid, so we're gonna keep going. Stretch them out. Do 2 more. Okay. Shake it, I wanna make sure it's really soaking up I'm gonna do 1 more because there's still a good amount of liquid in there. Do 1 more. Again, stretch your cotton balls out. All right. As you see, looks like it has a majority of the liquid is soaked up. So now we're going to add some more water. We're gonna go about 1/3 of the way up. I kind of did this one. I try to keep matching it in the force a little bit, just as long as you get your layers in. So you can add some more glitter if you want. Why not? Let's add some more glitter. And then you're gonna add your next color. So I'm gonna do blue this time. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. Let's get some blue in there. The blue I'm using is cobalt hue. There's lots of colors. I was just at Walmart the other day, so they have some paint in, so that made me very happy. So you kind of just wanna grab it by the mouth, kind of twist it so those colors can start mixing together. So see, we have our lovely purple there. And then we're going to add cotton balls again to kind of soak up, to get the color soaked up again. Stretch them. Oops, I had some paint on my finger. Push it down a little. The nice thing about this is if you really like doing it, I mean, you can experiment with other colors if you'd like. I like the looks of these, but you know, what's stopping you from doing some green and red? I just think these mix together well, color-wise. More, and then I'm gonna kind of push it down on the sides. Still looks, I'm gonna do at least one more cotton ball. I have a piece of cotton ball stuck there. This one rolled out very nicely. I think it also will depend on how big your cotton balls are. Like, I know there's some jumbo cotton balls, so you probably wouldn't need to use as many. These are just like the regular size ones. So we're gonna keep repeating the process of adding, I'm gonna do one more, adding the water, add more glitter if you want, your next layer of paint. So I'm gonna do that again. So I did pull some fun books over here. If you wanna look, there's Galaxies, picture book. There was an old Martian who swallowed the moon, or G is for galaxy. If you want more kind of fun, there's origami space book, and then the Milky Way and other galaxies. So you can make this a fun little learning project, or you know, learn about the galaxies, make a galaxy jar. All of these books are available for checkout at the library. Plus we have a lot of science books that you can check out at the library. You just ask Mr. Bill, the children's librarian, and I'm sure he'll be more than happy to find some books for you. I'm gonna do one more, and then we're gonna do our final layer. I definitely like this one. I feel like you could see more of the different colors than this one. I like the starting. As you see, it would probably be really hard to have two alike, so very unique jars we can have. All right, guys, we're gonna do our last layer. So I didn't fill it up all the way. I want there to be some room. Plus we're gonna add some cotton balls. This time we're not gonna push the cotton balls down. We're just gonna let them soak up there. We're not gonna like stuff them. So I put my black in, this one. Again, I'm just gonna take the stick this time since it's on the top and kind of give it a twirl so I don't make a sloppy mess. Then once the lid's on, we can twirl them and mix them a little more. Yeah, getting a little crazy. They don't want to spill. Don't want you to spill at home and make a mess on your parents. So let's add these. I feel like this time I use a little bit more cotton balls, but a pack of 100 should do just fine. If you're doing the same size jar as me, I got the idea from someone. They made 4 jars and they used about 200 cotton balls. I believe their jars were a little bit larger than mine. Again, I'm using just a 16-ounce mason jar. We got ours at Sam's Club, but you can find them at Walmart. So I'm only pushing it down just a little bit. I'm not compacting it a lot. I just do one more. All right, we're gonna put our lid on. And our galaxy jar is complete. I like it, you can spin it, try to get the colors more mixed. See how it's really mixing well on this side. Now, an option is, which you don't have to do this, but the person where I got the idea said to mix all the, you can mix all the colors up and see how they all go together. It's kind of fun too. You can really see all the stars in the galaxy. That's gonna get all mixed together. So there's our galaxy jars. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Again, if you make some of these, please take a photo and drop it in the comments so we can see all your cool galaxy jars. Thanks for tuning in.